amp man up, just keep playing all night, is that right? Johnson tonight was so popular, we even fucked Ticketmaster. As you know, some people might say that was a good thing, but there you go, that's just a personal thing. We've got a lot of substitutes on tonight, and we decided on this one because it does just seem that the whole world is all falling apart into different groups, different wars, different religious wars, different bullshit everywhere. And the one thing that I love about Maiden, one thing I love about the community of Maiden that we've built up over the years is that it doesn't matter what religion, what sex, what colour, what the fuck you are, animal, vegetable, mineral. If you're a Maiden fan, my friends, we're all blood brothers, alright?